Francisco Oropeza appeared in court just a few hours ago. He is charged with shooting and killing 5 neighbors at a home outside of Cleveland last month after those neighbors complained about him firing a gun in the yard. Adam Bennett was at the court hearing this morning up in Cold Spring. Adam, Oropeza remains in custody.
That's right, Sherman, and his bonds still total $7.5 million on 5 counts of murder. So far, though, Oropeza has not been indicted by a grand jury, which is the next step in this legal process. Today, though, just a couple hours ago, we got our first look at Oropeza since his arrest on those murder charges. There is only one courtroom here in San Jacinto County, and the judge did not allow video or audio recording inside. So this outside view of Oropeza was our only look at him today, both coming and going from the court. I was inside the courtroom, though, and that's where we saw Oropeza's lawyer, Anthony Osso, telling the judge that they're at an impasse at this point without more evidence like crime scene reports. But the district attorney Todd Dillon compared gathering information in this case to drinking from a fire hose. That's what he told the judge. Dillon then told reporters afterwards that the decision on whether to upgrade charges to capital murder, that will happen once this case goes to the grand jury.
Our next grand jury in this county meets on May 31st. I do not believe that we will probably receive all the information in by that time, but again, I guess we've got 2 weeks to find out. But at this point, it's not looking like it'll go to the grand jury by the end of this month.
No one wins in this situation, and you have both the DA's office and the defense attorneys trying to figure out how does a situation where people are friends, this is your neighbor, how does it get to this point? And so that's what we're working through.
Oropeza did not answer reporters' questions either going into the courthouse or leaving. Sheriff Greg Capers also declined to comment. Oropeza's next court hearing is set for August the 10th. Now today, the DA also confirmed that a friend of Oropeza's, that's Domingo Castillo, he has now been charged with helping to help Oropeza evade capture during a 4-day manhunt. That is the same charge that Oropeza's wife is facing over in Montgomery County. Sherman.
All righty, lots of different angles to this story. Adam Bennett up in Cold Spring. Thank you. And right